Hi friends, today we are going to discuss a very important legislation which is passed by the Argentinian government. The lower house of the Argentina, especially the Senate, passed a law legalizing the abortion. So today we will discuss the abortion law in the South American countries, and as well as we will also discuss the abortion law in India and what is the difference between. So let's start. So let's have Argentina legalize abortion up to 14 weeks. So Argentina became the first biggest country and the first Catholic country to pass to legalize the abortion up to 14 weeks. So it is a very a good steps for the women empowerment, especially looking at the current circumstances. So it is a very nice step. Next, it became the fourth country after Cuba, Uruguay, and Guyana. So there is already three countries which has legalized the abortion. In which year? So one is the Cuba. Cuba is a socialist country. It is just south of the USA. It legalized abortion in 1965. So second country, Guyana. Guyana. So don't get confused with the French Guyana and Guyana. So it is a separate country, Guyana. So there is a French Guyana which is still being ruled by certain pockets by the French. So it legalized in 1995. Abortion is legalized. So next country is Uruguay. Uruguay have passed an legislation in 2012, and it also legalized the abortion. And the Argentina became the fourth country in Central America, especially in the South American countries. So it has legalized in 2020. So what is the impact of this bill? That after these three countries, it has become the fourth country and completely banned. So there are three countries in the South America, especially in the Central American Caribbean countries. So these are the El Salvador, Nicaragua, and Honduras. These are the three countries which completely ban the abortion. Abortion is not possible in any circumstances. Whether the life of the woman in the risk, and even the rape survivor are not allowed to have a abortion. So it is a very tough situation here because this is a very grave concern. Next is Catholic Church opposed calling senator to reject the bill. So if we talk about the Argentina bill which has been recently passed, because Pope Francis, whose birthplace is Argentina, and he is the religious head of the whole Catholic world. So he has a very powerful person since the ancient times. So Pope Francis opposed this bill because a church is not in favor of the abortion, because church says that it is the right of person to born freely in this world. So he is not supported. So he's Catholic Church, because Catholicism is the biggest religion in the world, and it is also having France. 95% France is Catholic. Argentina itself is a Catholic country, so it is under the influence of the Pope. And Pope Francis, what does he say? Church opposed calling senator to reject the bill. He called the senators that you should reject the bill, don't pass the bill, and also supported by the leftist, but the president of the Argentina, who is the Albert Fernandez, he is a feminist, and also he supported the bill to be passed. So it is a good sign. Now, Argentina first big Catholic country to allow abortion. So in all the Catholic country, Argentina is the biggest country who have allowed the abortion. Next one, this birthplace of the Pope Francis, Vatican City. So if you see in the Italian country, Italy, there is a Vatican City. So Vatican City since 1871, after the unification of the Italy, Pope has been ruling the Vatican City. Church opposes all forms of abortion because it is a conservative form. They support the traditional values. That the Pope think that the tradition should be continued. So he said that he is a conservative. So he supported he is not in favor of the abortion bill. If we talk about if we draw a comparison between the abortion law in Argentina and also in the India, so what is the situation in India and what type of laws are present about the abortion? So there is a bill, means a medical termination of pregnancy amendment bill 2020. Recently the Indian Lok Sabha passed a bill, that is the medical termination of pregnancy amendment bill. So what is this bill? It has been passed in the Lok Sabha also. So this bill try to seek, and this bill try to amend the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. This is the 5 decades old bill, because since 1971, and it is 2000, This is 2020. So 50 years back it was passed. So there is a lot of problems in the bill. So Lok Sabha passed a new bill which will amend this old bill. So what is the provision of the bill? Extend upper limit of the abortion, because the old bill, which is medical terminacy of the pregnancy, the old bill tell that before 20 weeks. So abortion is possible only before 20 weeks. After that, not possible. So the new bill will try to extend the limit to 24 weeks. So according to the new bill, the time limit will be extended. Next is opinion of one registered medical practitioner (RMP) for the termination of the 20 weeks and the second. So any woman who wants to have an abortion, she will have to take the opinion of the two doctors in case of 24 weeks and one doctor in case of 20 weeks. So this is a quite a good sign in terms of women. Next is the constitution of a medical board in every state. So the new bill, which is the MTP bill 2020, it says that in every state there should be medical board which whose every state and which have the following members. The members of that bill is gynecologists, pediatricians, radiologists, sonologists. These are the members because they will provide a help to the women, which is going to be about. So present abortion law of 5 decades old and opinion up to the 20 weeks. So this the old bill provides only for the 20 weeks of the abortion, and it is also the very old bill. So this is the map of the Argentina. We will understand through the map because the laws of the Argentina and especially the Caribbean countries and South American countries and the Cuba, and plus there is in Mexico. Some country provide abortions to the partially, means they during the special circumstances. Suppose the survivor of the rape, they will have to abort. So the government should provide facility to them. And rape survivor, and if the life of the woman is in the risk, then she should also be saved. So government should give the permission for the abortion. So this is a very good legislation which the whole country supported. So Argentina have set an evidence and set a epitome before the world that other countries should also learn from the Argentina, and they should also pass the same legislation so that the reproductive rights of the women can be improved further, because the women have the right on her own body. So she should be allowed to have abortion in the special circumstances. So this is a very good sign, and other countries should also follow it. So have a good day.